If you're a queen or king, put your hands up. If you're a queen or king, put your hands up. Cause I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place palette. I was really trying to do something out of my comfort zone and really creative and like play with colors. And I'm like, nah, this color is really about to make everything pop and come together. So I'm just pushing that blue in my crease and also blending out the edges just a little bit. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe E17 brush. Now I'm gonna be going in the glittery blue shade and putting that on my lids. And also I sprayed it with the Morphe setting spray just so that it could be more pigmented and the color can really show more on my lids. And I'm using an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and instead of doing window swiping motions, I'm pushing the eyeshadow on my lids. And I like to bring the eyeshadow above the crease so that you can see the look with my eyes open. I don't want you to just be able to see it with my eyes closed. I want you to be able to see that color with my eyes open. Also, quick tip for small eyes. And now I'm going to be going in the box of crayons. I love this palette. And I'm going to be going in the dark green shade. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M321 brush. And y'all, don't do me with my palette because me and my palette went through some stuff. Like, I'm super clumsy. I dropped that palette so many times. But I'm going to be pushing that green in my crease. Like I said, I just want to darken it up a little bit. Yeah. So now we're just gonna blend out the edges so that there's no harsh lines, because sis, we don't need no harsh lines. So now I'm gonna be going in with the NYX liquid liner matte. Y'all, this is my favorite eyeliner. If you don't have this eyeliner, you better go purchase it right now. You better order off of Amazon, order from CVS, order from Walgreens, order from wherever you at, because you need this in your kit. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Fenty Beauty white liner. I love this white liner because it doesn't crack. Like, I hate liner that cracks. Like, it's so annoying. It messes up the whole makeup look. So I'm pretty much putting it above my crease just to draw that line to create the wing, because we're gonna do a butterfly, a little cheat sheet on the butterfly wings. And honestly, I messed up when I did that, but at the end I made it work and, you know, figured everything out. So if you make a mistake, you know, just turn that mistake into something good, because that's what I did. I do my foundation and brows off camera. The foundation that I used was the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 338. And for my brows, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade. And I'm using the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art, the blue glitter that I used on the other eye, the crease of the other eye, and I'm just putting it above the white liner just to add extra details. So now I'm going to be taking a break on the eyes and finish the rest of the face. So I'm going to be using the LA Pro Girl Concealer, my favorite concealer in the color Fawn. And my other favorite concealer, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Deep Sand. Now I'm just blending out the edges. And also another thing is about the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, it dries super fast. So I'll be trying to blend that bad boy mad fast. I like to use the back of the Beauty Blender just to blend out the harsh lines and to make sure that there is no harsh line, especially if you're going to be using flash, because I be using flash for my pictures and I don't want no harsh lines showing in my pictures. Now it's time to set underneath your eyes, and my favorite setting powder is the Airspun Translucent Setting Powder. It's actually the extra coverage translucent setting powder, and I'm using the Real Techniques brush. I look like a ghost, but that's what bronzing and contouring is for, to bring color back to your face and to shape it back. But I'm going to be using my favorite contour palette, the Black Radiance, light to medium, I believe. Like, y'all, I love this palette. This palette is the truth. It's highlight time, my favorite part, and I sprayed my brush with the Morphe setting spray, and I'm gonna be using my favorite highlighter. This is the only highlighter I use, is the Fenty Beauty highlighter, like Trophy Wipe. That's the only highlighter I use. Like, I have a whole bunch of highlighters, but nothing tops this in my opinion. Now it's time to get back to the eyes and do the other wing. And I'm basically doing it like a triangle shape. For the rest of the eye, all I did was use the Fenty Beauty white liquid liner and put that around the black liner. And in the middle, I used the Revlon Photo Ready eye art glitter, and now I'm just using eyelash glue to get ready to put the diamonds, the bling bling. It was mad hard to do it on camera, so I did do it off camera. And now I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty black liner and just putting that on my waterline.